From March 1st, 2022, South Australia will be taking the next steps to replace the waste. Expanded polystyrene cups, bowls, plates and clamshell containers will be prohibited from sale, supply and distribution. Oxo-degradable plastics will also be prohibited from production, manufacture, supply and sale in South Australia. Old stock cannot be used up after March 1st, 2022. Now is the time to speak to your suppliers about ordering alternatives. Choose reusable or compostable food containers and bags. Educate your staff and inform your customers of the Stage 2 change starting on March 1st, 2022. Together we can continue to lead the rest of Australia to replace the waste. For more information, supplier lists and support material, visit replacethewaste.sa.gov.au.